Good morning. I just made my coffee after I washed my shoes again. Then I opened the windows in the spare room, closed the door, air it out a bit, give it another good wipe down. And now my back is aching. Haven't even started the day. Okay, I'm going to go and have my coffee. I've got Louis at 11. Okay lah. Another 1.5 hours to go. What's the time? 9:23. 9:23 and I haven't had my coffee yet. Oh, the shoes. Hi. You okay? Just looking at the water dripping. But there's no more soap in the water, so it's okay. See lah. That's all she can get. Cannot go further than that. Down. Thank you. So I'm not worried that this water drip, and then after I'll just wash the balcony. Okay, I'm going to have my coffee.